you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know, you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out your...
Welcome back. So before we start cleaning, I wanted to take a couple of minutes to thank today's video sponsor, Matace. I have worked with them before and it's always a good experience and I love their products. So I got the Never Stain woven vinyl rug, and this one is the King Snake. They do have others to choose from, but I really liked this one's design and the colors go great with my kitchen. It has a deep blue surface and it's hidden under the gold pattern. The grayish bluish color around the sides goes great with the veins in the countertop. So I love the way it looks in here. It is an indoor or an outdoor rug made out of recyclable vinyl yarns. You don't need a rug pad because it is expanded PVC backed and it's slip resistant. This rug is made for high traffic areas, which is why I put it in the kitchen. This is the most used room in the house all day, every day. These are great for patios, decks, kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, and more. I will have this rug linked below, and if you use code Jabara18, you will receive a discount on your order. Matace has carpet tiles like the ones in my living room and many other flooring options to choose from, so go check them out. I will have it linked down below, and thank you, Matace, for sponsoring today's video.